Let's now apply some filters so we can choose some gems so we can send them to a shortlist. I'm going to go ahead and start filtering now. Okay, I've entered quite a few filters. Let's go ahead and hit apply. 12 items. So these are 12 gems now. I'm going to have one last look and see if there are any multi-packs. Because with some are multi-packs and they're no longer profitable, I'm going to hit apply to the filters one more time so they can be removed. Now we have these ones. A couple have FBM pricing, so I might go ahead and check out the offers and see if I can price any higher. For example, there is an $18.49 buy box offer on this one. We can probably match their buy box price. Another one here. Great, let's go ahead and send all these to a shortlist. I'm going to click on this top box and it's going to check them all. I'm going to add these to a shortlist. I'm going to give the shortlist a name. Let's call it demo list 1. By clicking plus, we've created the shortlist. Next, we can actually add these to the shortlist by clicking on the plus at the bottom. Now these 6 ASINs have been added to a shortlist.